Hello and welcome. This is Roy. It is getting very interesting now in the markets, and I bet it's going to become even more interesting. We are seeing price collapse almost every single day. We had, for example, a huge drop in copper, followed by equally massive, dramatic drop in silver, and just recently in gold, absolute meltdown. We had $99 crash straight on Friday, and believe it or not, I was around the corner of each of these big moves. I was preparing my subscribers in great detail and excellent timing. You don't have to believe me. You can go and check the past videos. They are still on the website. If you subscribe to a trial or you take my subscription, you will see that everything I tell you is true. And right now I'm sharing with you two clips that I've taken from a very long video, 73 minutes video, very detailed, covering enormous amount of markets. You will see me introducing them. I hope you like the clips. If you like further information, please stay on. I'll talk to you again. Other than that, after the clips ends, I'll talk to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week and good trading. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen the US dollar holding on to the gains of recent weeks. Continuous deterioration in the euro, and bonds market continuing to hold at a fairly high level. Some commodities basically crashed completely. We have copper, for example, displaying a clear-cut price collapse, silver, gold, many other commodities. This is a very clear sign that we have entered a major bear market that would last for many months. Also the stock markets, although if you like, they have not crashed in a similar manner to what copper did or silver, nevertheless we are seeing a persistent weakness, and I think that there is no hope for a fast reversal. I think we are in for many months of pressure on stocks, and I have prepared a very long list of charts, and here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar, US dollar Mexican peso, US dollar South African rand, US dollar Canadian dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, and then the euro charts, euro bond, US T-bond, continuous chart, US T-bond December contract, and then I'll have a look at copper, silver, gold, light crude, CRB. I'll have a look at the VIX, and then stock markets, TSX, SPX, Dow Transportation Average, the DAX, the FTSE, Italy's MIP, CAC 40 of France. I'll have a look at the Hang Seng of Hong Kong, at the Nikkei of Japan, at Malaysia's Kuala Lumpur index, and I'll have a look also at Jakarta's composite index of Indonesia. British pound US dollar, we've got it here on the weekly scale, showing us clearly that the downside potential is fully on. You can see the MACD is pointing straight down, so there is plenty more downside coming, I think. We've got it here going back to March 2007. We're working with the idea that that could be an A, B, C. We're coming down in the D, or could be much more bearish with in fact it coming to break through the floor here, in which case our triangle idea will not work. But for the next several months, I think it's pretty likely heading towards 145, testing this floor. Just the way the MACD looks, I think adds a lot of confidence to this reading. So it could turn out to be either an A, B, and we are down in a C, or we could be in a much more bearish situation, with this being a 1-2, and the pound actually heading for a break under 135. But that is not very much on the horizon as we are talking right now. I think we've got it now on the daily. I think that is our 1 or A, 2 or B. That is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's done. I think the third wave that began from here is most likely over. If I'm getting this right, we are looking for further correction here, possibly even a slight jump towards 155, 156, and that should present the next selling opportunity to complete the run that began from here with another leg under 153. There is major support at this, you can see major support at this level, so I would be really astonished if the pound continues straight down as if this support is not there. That would suggest the pound is easily going to crash to 142, because if this support is unable to somehow hold this almost straight line collapse, then you can imagine. Okay, let's go and see the 60 minutes. This is the wave count I'm using. It could be that there are different subdivisions here. I had to alter it slightly because of the extent of the fall here, but right now that's what I have in mind. That's a 1 2 1 2, that's another 1 2, that's a 3 4, that's a 3 4, that's a 3, completing the pink run. And we don't need a lot of correction. It could, I mean, theoretically it should run back to 157. I doubt it. I think it's probably going to stay within the channel, if not immediately slump down to towards 153 and just try to hold ground here before the next drop. Okay, that's the Hang Seng. This is the monthly scale of the Hang Seng going back to 1991. That is 1, that's an A, that's a B. We're going down. We're going down to 10,000, maybe even lower. The Hang Seng, the wave count says yes, very likely. The monthly turnaround here, pretty impressive. No less impressive is the huge divergence that is still. It needs a long time to be worked out here, and that is the weekly scale now. And you can see the divergence here. Massive divergence. You can see where the price is. Price telling you I'm going there. I'm going there, right there. Right there. That's the sign. You see where it is, where it belongs. It belongs there. So I think that plenty more downside coming here. And this is the wave count I'm using. 1 2. Sorry, I will open it so you can see it clearly. That's a 1 2 1 2 3. Fourth wave might have ended here or here. We are down in the fifth. If it ended here, we're probably looking at a 1 2 3. We are down in the third wave. Tiny fourth wave, continue down. Page on Twitter, you are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.